Welcome to Radiating Resilience. In this episode, we immerse ourselves in the beauty and tranquility of nature, exploring its profound healing effects on the mind, body, and spirit. Join us as we journey through forests, mountains, and rivers, and uncover the transformative power of the great outdoors. Nature has a way of soothing our souls and rejuvenating our spirits. But what is it about the great outdoors that has such a profound healing effect? It's as if nature has a magical ability to quiet our minds, ease our worries, and remind us of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us every day. Have you ever noticed how spending time in nature makes you feel more alive, more connected, more at peace with yourself and the world around you? Research suggests that spending time in nature can reduce stress levels, lower blood pressure, and boost immune function. But perhaps more importantly, nature provides us with a sense of perspective, a reminder of our place in the universe and the interconnectedness of all living things. I want you to ask yourself, what is one small step I can take today to connect with nature and nourish my soul? And the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or disconnected, why not step outside and immerse yourself in the healing embrace of nature? Take a deep breath, feel the earth beneath your feet, and let the beauty and serenity of the natural world fill your heart and soul. Whether it's taking a walk in the park, gardening in your backyard, or simply sitting quietly and listening to the sounds of nature, remember that the healing power of the great outdoors is always within reach. Now let's deviate from our path of mindfulness for a moment and sprinkle in some humor. What did one hat say to the other? You stay here, I'll go on ahead. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and renewal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Together, let's embrace the healing power of nature and cultivate resilience, vitality, and joy in our lives.